Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving into the world of customization and bringing a touch of Nothing's unique design to any Android phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the latest version port of the Nothing OS Gallery app on your Android device, and the best part, you don't need root access. For those unfamiliar, Nothing OS has garnered a lot of attention for its clean, minimalist aesthetic and intuitive user interface. One of its standout apps is the Gallery, which embodies this design philosophy perfectly. This ported version brings that same experience to your phone, offering a fresh alternative to your stock Gallery app. First things first, you'll need to download the app file for the Nothing OS Gallery port. I've provided the direct download link in the video description below, so make sure to check that out. Navigate to the location where you downloaded the app file using your File Manager app, tap on the APK file. The installation process might take a few moments, so please be patient. Once the installation is complete, you'll see an Open button. Tap on it to launch the Nothing OS Gallery app. You can also find it in your app drawer. And there you have it, you've successfully installed the latest Nothing OS Gallery port on your Android phone without root. Take some time to explore the app and enjoy its clean and intuitive design. You can now manage your photos and videos with a fresh new look. So, that was a quick and easy guide on how to get the Nothing OS Gallery experience on your device. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Android customization tips and tricks. Don't forget to check out the download link in the video description below. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Nothing OS Gallery and if you encounter any issues during the installation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.